So you joined eXp and realized your sponsor is about as useful as a screen door on a submarine. Can you change your sponsor at eXp Realty? No, but I found a few loopholes for you. I'm Doug Smart, team leader and full stack developer at eXp Realty team, Smart Agent Alliance, where we provide more free value than anyone else in the real estate business. So let's get into it. Can you change your primary sponsor? Nope. Once you go active at eXp, your sponsor is locked in stone. The only way to change is to quit, wait 12 months, and rejoin under a new one. Oh, and while you're out, kiss your uninvested stock goodbye and say hello to starting your revenue share downline from zero. Now you might be wondering, what if I typed in the wrong sponsor on accident? If you're not active yet, eXp support might fix it. But once you're live, that typo is forever. This is why sponsor choice isn't some checkbox. It's the foundation of your career. What changes if I leave eXp and return? Leaving resets everything. Sponsor downline, revenue share tiers, and the ability to pick a co-sponsor, even if you didn't have the option before. You start clean, but you also start broke. Rejoining means building your downlines from zero and earning revenue share all over again. It's not a light reset, it's a full factory reboot. Painful? Yes. But agents who plug back in under a stronger sponsor line, the long-term upside can outweigh the lost ground. Is quitting and rejoining worth it? That depends entirely on what you're walking away from. If your current sponsor line is dead air, no calls, no tools, no community, nothing that actually moves the needle, or if your upline gives you nothing to leverage for attracting your own downline, why chain yourself to mediocrity and cut off your chance of building passive income? Sometimes the short-term pain or starting over is the only way to unlock long-term growth. Case in point, agents who restarted under Smart Agent Alliance and the Wolfpack often say the year-long wait was worth it. With structure, marketing assets, leadership that actually shows up, and a powerful value stack to leverage for attracting their own downline agents, they grew faster after the reset than they ever could have under the old line. Can you change your co-sponsor? Maybe. Think of co-sponsors as the dating app version of sponsorship. Less permanent, more flexible, and easier to change if the match isn't working. Unlike your primary sponsor, which is basically a marriage license, co-sponsors give you room to adjust. If your co-sponsor isn't delivering, no support, no systems, no real value, you can petition eXp to replace them. It's not automatic, but the option does exist. That flexibility matters because it potentially lets you plug into a stronger co-sponsor. You can even bolt an extra resource or a marketing powerhouse like the systems from Smart Agent Alliance while keeping your existing primary sponsor in place. Bottom line, a co-sponsor won't fix a completely silent primary sponsor, but it can fill gaps and add serious firepower to your business. What if my sponsor isn't helping? What if my primary sponsor is not helping me at all and I don't want to leave? In that case, think of your upline like plumbing. If your direct sponsor is clogged, go up a tier or two. You might find real value at tier 3, 4, 5, 6, or 7. If it's all still blocked, call in the plumbers, eXp Agent Success Team. They might be able to guide you in solving your problems. Of course, when you join Smart Agent Alliance, you don't have to hunt for help. The support is baked in. Systems, calls, templates, and leadership. So why does sponsor choice matter before you join? This decision isn't just about who's on your paperwork. It's about who fuels your business long term. Check out our webinar to learn more about our team and eXp. Link in the description below. Peace.